Rocks are defined as a relatively hard, naturally occurring mineral material. Rocks can consist of a single mineral or several minerals that are tightly compacted together. The three main rock types are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are the first major rock type. Igneous rocks are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Igneous rocks can be formed underground and above ground. Underground, they are formed when magma deep within the earth becomes trapped in small pockets. As these pockets of magma cool slowly underground, the magma becomes igneous rock. This type of rock is intrusive igneous rock. Above ground, igneous rock are formed when volcanoes erupt, causing the magma to rise above the Earth's surface. Above ground, igneous rocks are formed when volcanoes erupt, causing magma to rise to the Earth's surface. When the magma rises to the Earth's surface, it cools and forms igneous rock. This type of igneous rock is called extrusive igneous rock. The three main rock types of igneous rock are extrusive, intrusive, and hyperbasal. Extrusive igneous rocks are fine-grained due to the cooling process being very fast and forming very small crystals. Intrusive igneous rocks are coarse-grained due to the slower cooling process underground. Here are two examples of igneous rock. The top image is granite. Granite is an intrusive igneous rock, and it is coarse, having larger minerals than an intrusive igneous rock. The bottom image is basalt, an extrusive igneous rock, and you can see that it has finer grains.
Sedimentary rocks are another major rock type. There are four main types of sedimentary rocks: clastic, chemical, biochemical, and organic. Classic sedimentary rocks are produced through 5 processes: weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition, and lithification. Weathering is the first step in making classic rocks. It transforms rocks such as igneous and metamorphic rocks into sediment. Erosion then takes this sediment and loosens it from the topsoil, and the transportation stage takes it by wind, water, or air to a place where it is deposited. In this place, it is lithificated into solid rock. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed when dissolved ions recombine by chemical precipitation to form minerals that accumulate into rocks. Biochemical sedimentary rocks are made when living organisms extract ions dissolved in the water to make things like shells and bones. Organic sedimentary rocks form when plant matter accumulates at the bottom of bodies of water.
Metamorphic rocks are the third major rock type. Metamorphic rocks come about from the transformation of existing rocks, such as igneous and sedimentary, during the process of metamorphism. The original rock undergoes heat, pressure, and/or chemical process, resulting in drastic physical and chemical changes. These changes result into 2 different categories of metamorphic rock. The 2 main categories of metamorphic rock are foliated and non-foliated. Foliated rocks have parallel bands made of heat and pressure. 3 examples being slate, phyllite, and schist. Non-foliated rocks do not have parallel bands, and some examples are quartzite, hornfels, marble, and soapstone. The 5 main types of metamorphism are regional, contact, hydrothermal, shock, and dynamic. Regional metamorphism occurs on a large scale. It can be caused by the movement of the Earth's crust, part of the Earth's crust being pulled below another part, and rocks being buried over time by rocks deposited above. Contact metamorphism occurs when a rock is in direct contact with hot magma. The contact with the hot magma fuels the process of metamorphism. Hydrothermal metamorphism occurs when rocks interact with a high-temperature fluid, resulting in new metamorphic rock. Shock metamorphism occurs when an extraterrestrial object collides with Earth, and the resulting pressure results in new rock. Dynamic metamorphism occurs on major fault lines when the Earth's crusts slip by one another, with the resulting pressure and friction resulting in new rock.